I just got new PC parts. Let's unbox them. It's my first time actually seeing this stuff, so I'm kind of excited. Let's just take this stuff off and just let's just get this out of here. Oh. To actually grab the I also have to open this. This is a lot heavier than I thought it was. Shit. This is hard to do with one hand. Alright, let's just flip this over. The last time I took a PC case out of the box was like 8 years ago. Alright, I just unboxed this and this thing looks sick. This is actually my first Corsair PC case, and that is amazing. I don't know what I'm going to build in it yet, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Or move my old PC into this one, you guys should let me know what I should do. But this case is dope. See, what I love about this case is it comes with 3 pre-installed fans. Unlike this hunk of junk that only has that one fan for intake. If you guys want to see me build a PC in this or put my old one in it, just let me know. I'll put it in, see how it looks.